Now, as you can see, we got the new GIM fan.
What are you doing?
Hey, Chris. I'm trying to make a video. This is a budget PC like you told me.
Oh, all right, okay, all right. 3 things.
What?
1, I'm not ready for them to see that PC. That's for a different video. 2, you don't make videos. I make them. You are just a fictional character that I made up in some sad attempt to be humorous. You don't exist. You don't call shots.
Why are you so mean?
And 3, bring me those fans and come here.
Okay. Oh my god!
Give me those fans. With the new GIM fans, you can change the clothes of your fans. Now that might sound a little confusing, but maybe that's a little interesting. Interested me. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech Vibe, and today we're going to be looking at GIM's most recent 120mm fan. Now in my previous video of working with GIM, they had sent me some 120mm fans, and I was really actually impressed with how well these things were put together, as well as how many fans you could hook up to a single hub. It was 10. And if you're somebody that's familiar with Corsair products, such as the fans in here, well, you know that's pretty good, because in this PC, there's like 3 hubs, and that's excessive. So it was nice to see that hub being able to control 10 fans. That's nice. But I did have an issue with the remote, and I do believe it was an isolated issue, so I don't want to try to hold them to that standard so much. Because all in all, I was still able to control the fans and get the colors I wanted and get the speeds that I wanted out of the fans. So I was happy. I thought these were actually a viable option for you guys if you were looking for affordable fans that didn't cost an arm and a leg like these, or Lee fans. So when GIM reached out to me again with some more fans, I was definitely open into looking at these new fans. Now in these new fans, they said that you can change clothes of your fans, and I wasn't actually sure what that meant. I was interested, and I thought you guys might be too. Now if you're new to the channel and you enjoy stuff that's tech, whether that be tech news, how-tos, reviews, PC builds, make sure you hit that subscribe, and if you would, please hit that like. It really does so much to help the channel out, and we do our best to make sure we give you guys helpful information as well as easily understandable information. So with that said, let's check out these fans that GIM sent over and see what it means to change the clothes on your fans. Now upon opening the box of these fans, I was not exactly sure what to expect. Sure, I had seen the Amazon listing for these things, but you don't necessarily get the full picture of things until you actually have it in your hands. So when I saw these different colored belts that you could put on your fans, it was actually a fairly cool idea. When you purchase the fans, you have 4 different options or clothes for your fans to choose from. For white models, you have the black, the rainbow unicorn, as I'm going to refer to it as, the white, and gray. And just for the sake of me trusting you guys to have an imagination to be able to guess how a white belt would look on these fans, well, I'll just leave that to the imagination to, well, imagine. Now for any of you guys that are actually wanting to pick up some of these fans, I did want to go ahead and put it out there. Now, while this is a good or a cool idea, having clothes for your fans, I actually had a difficult time trying to change the clothes. Now they do provide you a little tool to help you fish out the hooks that these clothes are attached to, but until you have actual practice with it, it can get a little annoying. So hopefully, in that regard, I'm hoping you guys are a little bit more intelligent than me and can figure this out a little bit faster, because it took me a couple of tries to get quick at this. Now these fans do come with a hub that can plug up to 10 fans in them, much like the other models of GIM fans, and it does appear that the remote with these fans is a little bit improved. And I'm happy to report that I didn't have any issues with this remote. It was very self-explanatory. The static pressure of these fans seem to be able to provide adequate cooling, whether you're using it on just a case or if you're going to attach it to an AIO. The remote allows you to change the speeds by quite a bit, and if you did want to hook this directly up to your motherboard, you could, but I opted to not go that route. If you're interested in hooking this up to your motherboard, you do have the ability to control the RGB on these fans, which do really well. The colors are pretty, and they're just pleasant to look at. From what I can tell, these fans definitely appear to be an improvement on the previous model that I did a review on. If you're interested in checking that out, you can catch it up here. There's lots of RGB fans out there to choose from, and they can get expensive really quick, so it's refreshing to see fans such as these that are affordable and actually look good. If you guys do have any other questions, you guys know you can ask. Feel free. If you got some sort of value out of this video, I ask you please consider giving the video a like. It really does wonders for the channel, and it tells YouTube that I'm a decent YouTuber, so they put my videos out there for more people to see. That's gonna do it for the video. I hope you can like. I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe. A tech vibe. Specifically. We'll see you.